Any mathematical formula can be easily done in Excel. It is once applied to one cell and then dragged to other cells. For example, let's try to double our numbers in our current data set. In cell C2, type equals, select cell B2, type asterisk by holding the Shift button and press 8, release the Shift button, type 2 and press Enter. Now cell C2 has double the value of cell B2. Go with your mouse cursor to the lower right corner of cell C2. The cursor will turn into a small thin black plus. Hold your left button of your mouse and drag the cell till you reach cell C11. You will find that each cell is multiplied by 2 and calculated in the C column. Let's now try another mathematical formula in the next column, column D. Now select cell D2 and type equals, C2 plus 5 and press Enter. This will add 5 to the doubled number. Go to the lower corner of cell D2 until you see the black plus, and this time use the double click. The formula will be applied to the whole column as long as there are values in the adjacent cells in column C.